Go.
Chloe's cooking video. First, I am cooking muffins. My helper is Eilish Chloe. Come here. Now she's gonna help me put the eggs in, put the flour, sugar. So, what's the first ingredient? Eggs. Can you crack the eggs? Where's the eggs? I don't know. Now I'll mix all the eggs up. See if they taste like. And a bit stinky. And flour. Oh, okay. I'll go and pick some flowers, babe. No, I will. Got them. Woo! Mix the flowers up. Sugar. Okay, that's it. Now, can I just pour some flour in? More and more sugar. There we go. Now I'm gonna put some in. No, we need the chocolate. Chocolate muffins. Chocolate muffins. Chocolate. Oopsies. Oh, I'll get a jackwater. I'll just get one more spoon. Can you hear me? Because I need to get this. And I'll take them off now. What do I have to do? Now I'm going to I haven't even finished. Just put it all in the place. Now I'm going to put these in the oven. I'll just put these in so they can be real. And just put these. Okay, they're ready. I'll just try and put it on the floor. Now, wait. What do I have to do?
No, now we're finished, so do...
Where?